Bonafide Hustler here. It's a sunny day and we got some garage sales to go visit. Let's go. What's going on, guys and gals? Chris the Bonafide Hustler coming to you live from the outside of my house, about to take off to hit some garage sales and check out what kind of cool used items we can find to flip for some more money. Don't forget to follow my channel on Instagram at the Bonafide Hustler. There's a free money making guide right here. It's the first link down below. Go check that out. It'll teach you kind of like what I do. All right, so it's a Saturday morning and the sun is just cresting over the neighborhood houses. And we're about to take the small spaceship right here and we're gonna go to some garage sales. I can't wait. We can find some really cool stuff, and thinking about taking the bigger car, but you know, there's about 5 good ones to see today. So let's get on the road and see what the first one has. Ooh, I'm so excited, ooh. We got a garage sale right here, and it doesn't look the greatest, but we'll be through this one, and there's another one this way too. But this is what we got so far. Let's see if we find anything there. All right, so we went to 2 garage sales over there. I popped on this Daisy Powerline 880. It's a pump action rifle. You know, these things are about 50 bucks new, but I found one that was in really good condition, almost mint for 5 bucks. So I decided to buy it for personal use. These things are kind of fun if you got some targets, and we have targets at home. So let's go to the next garage sale and see what we find. So the next garage sale is actually a church garage sale. And I like church garage sales a lot because it exposes you to a lot of cool things all at once. So let's check this one out. All right, so I just came from that, and you know, the last time I came here with E-Money, found some cool stuff, but this time we did not find anything cool. So there are 3 garage sales that are pretty close to here, and I'm pretty sure we'll find something cool at one of those 3 garage sales. Okay, so the garage sale, there's 2 garage sales on the street, and there's just a massive amount of people here. I don't know what's going on. Both of them have a massive amount of people. Wow. All right, we did a fast pass to that garage sale. I didn't find anything. There were some antiques, but nothing super crazy. But there's one like down there, and I'm not sure if we should walk to it or just drive the car over there. It's like half a block down there. 5 seconds down the road, we have, it looks like 2 garage sales right here. So let's go check it out. You never know what you're gonna find. That's why I take the camera out right now.
That's what he's doing. Oh. Yeah.
It's kind of the craziest little find. So I got a little tripod. It's called a square jellyfish. These are really good if you're a vlogger, and I am. And then I got this Remington kind of razor thing. The one I'm using right now is 20 plus years old, and I think it's got stock blades. So this thing is 4 bucks, and I'm gonna try it out. But man, like letting go of the one I've been using for 20 plus years. I got it on a Black Friday deal at Fry's in San Diego. Long time ago. Can't believe it. So I'll try this thing out for the beardy beard, and then we're gonna go check out another garage sale here in a second. Looks like there's another garage sale like right next to it, so I'm gonna check this one out too. All right, next garage sale actually looks pretty cool, and we were in the car for maybe 2 minutes, so I see some neat things, and we'll check this one out for sure. There's a bunch of hats and stuff. All right, putting the camera away. I'm gonna check this stuff out. So we didn't find anything at that garage sale. It was a reseller garage sale. Boy, I tell you right now, if there are certain types of garage sales that I don't enjoy, it's reseller ones, because the prices are just so incredibly high. And I mean, I get it. You can do what you want to do, but it's kind of crazy because there were a lot of great things there. But you know, when I start hearing people talking about eBay in the background and everything like that, I'm done. Like, you just can't find any good deals at these places. It's nearly impossible. All right, we just came from a garage sale over there, and for $10 got a wild amount of stuff. First of all, got all this cool size medium like REI Co-op stuff, and looks like Prana gear and all this stuff. Anyway, then we got a little Vizsla bathing suit, 2 free backpacks. One is a roll top all-weather type backpack. The other one's an REI Co-op backpack. It's pretty cool. Looks like a 45 liter. And this one's a really nice kind of backpack right here. Got a Ozark Trail ice pack. Got a dog sling, kind of like what you see right here, you know, for your back seat. Got one of those. Got this Ableton or Launch Key Mini, which works with Ableton, right? So that's in there, and it's like mint condition, although we couldn't find the actual, what's it called? The actual plug, but the lady said she used it twice, and so this thing should be good. A camping shovel as well, which is kind of nice. Well, yeah, and we got a black diamond lamp right here, all for 10 bucks. That's a crazy deal at this garage sale. I can't believe it. And my girlfriend's getting some free hangers. Look at these hangers. These are actually the good velvet ones too. All right. And then I just went back in and I got some scrubbing bubbles, some Barkeeper's Friend spray, and some foil, all for free. We all got it for free, yes. Whoa, and you got that? Was that free?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. That's pretty cool decoration. We could do a lot of things with that, and then we could sell it. This garage sale was pretty cool. You know, I haven't even gone through all the stuff in the backpacks and all that. I mean, it's just TBD, but yeah, pretty awesome stuff. And 10 bucks, that's an absolutely crazy deal. I cannot believe it. Okay, so it's the evening time, and we're gonna take a closer look at some of the things that I found today. It's kind of cool, and there are a couple that really kind of stick out that I think will sell for some good money. So remember that garage sale? I spent 10 bucks and got all this kind of random stuff. We got a little pet carrier for the rear seats of like an SUV or a truck. That's sitting right there. This was all 10 bucks, by the way. I'm gonna show you the stuff that was 10 bucks. We have some Western Rise. These are all 32. It's kind of my size, but I am bulking, so I'm a little bit bigger than that. But when I get to my normal weight, I'm about a 32. We have some Prana shorts. We have some Adidas shorts, another pair of Prana shorts, a Vizsla swimsuit, REI cooperative kind of crag pants. They're like climbing pants. And then we have some Capri style or climbing pants, like kind of styled things right there. This Ozark Trail ice block, which is awesome, right? And we got this cool shovel. This is all for 10 bucks. It's kind of crazy. This is a shovel that can, you know, go to a different kind of formation and you can use it, but it's compact basically. A black diamond headlamp right there. And then we also got this Launch Key Mini, which is probably worth about 50 bucks locally. It didn't come with the actual, you know, cord or anything like that, but this thing looks mint. I don't even think it's been used. It looks perfect. So anyway, yeah, there might be a way I can test it. Outside of that, I'll just sell it untested. Pretty easy. So yeah, that was from that garage sale, plus these two backpacks right here. And this is a Hyperlite backpack right here, which is kind of interesting because this thing could sell between about $100 and $200. Look up Hyperlite backpacks and you'll see what I'm talking about. The white ones that look like, it's kind of like Tyvek material. So it's really interesting. They get very dirty. This one's super dirty. It is used, but it could carry some interesting resale. The back of it looks like this, and that's what you want to look for right there. It's called Hyperlite mountain gear, right? So pretty cool looking. I mean, even the zipper still looks really good. So yeah, very light backpack with a roll top. I'm pretty sure it's waterproof as well. So pretty cool. I don't know, I think this is a medium one, by the way. So I'm thinking about $100 to $200, but it could be like a 80 local sale or maybe a 70 local sale. I looked on the local markets. There are none selling in Austin, which is great. It means if I post it, it'll probably be one of the only ones, or the only one. And then we got this REI Flash 45 backpack right here. We're gonna clean this one up, probably keep this one, but I will list it for like 50 bucks and we'll see what happens. You can go to REI and buy this thing right now for $110. So all for 10 bucks. Oh yeah, and some foil and some scrubbing bubble looking things, right? And I think that's pretty much it. Oh yeah, this thing right here. So that was pretty nice as well. The BB gun I tested out again with my neighbor, and we put it into, I don't know if I gave it to him or we put it in one of the things in here in the garage, but you know, not a bad haul for a Saturday. What did you think? I think as these Saturdays come along, we're gonna get the GoPro strapped on. We're gonna do the whole 9 yards. But you know, for a normal Saturday with about, I think we saw maybe 5 or 6 garage sales today total. Some didn't make the video. I thought it was pretty good. So what do you think? Let me know down below, comment. And yeah, we're back at it again. And if you love these videos, hit the like button. Make sure you're subscribed. I'll see you on the next one. Take it easy. Goodbye.